Have you ever watched a YouTube video and thought, I could do that? Maybe you have a passion you want to share, or a skill you could teach, or you just want to connect with like-minded people. Whatever your reason, today is the best time to start. The barrier has never been lower. You don't need a fancy studio or a Hollywood budget. With a camera and a message, you can build an audience, create an impact, and turn passion into a profession. YouTube is a community that connects the world. You have that power within you. Step into the role of creator. Let's get started. First, sign in to YouTube with your Google account. Click your profile and select Create a Channel. Upload a profile picture and choose a channel name. You can change it later. Congrats, your channel exists. Consider a brand account for flexibility. Different name, multiple managers. Easier to grow a team later. Open YouTube Studio, your command center for uploads, analytics, and community. This is where your videos go live. Track what's working and improve. The intimidating part? Done. Now the creative journey begins. You've built your home base. Time to shape its identity. Make your channel memorable, simple to say, and relevant. Say names out loud. Check availability everywhere. Use a clear headshot or clean logo. Avoid clutter. Your banner is a digital billboard. State what viewers get. Add a tagline and optional upload schedule. Templates make it fast. Tell your story, who you are, what you make, and for whom. Include relevant links. Clear info builds trust and helps discovery. Your identity is taking shape. Make it feel like home for your audience. Now, let's plan what you'll publish. Define your niche. Be specific early on. Specificity attracts a dedicated audience. It helps YouTube find the right viewers. Brainstorm freely. Capture every idea. Focus on audience pain points and curiosity. Use trends and autocomplete to find demand. Each suggestion can be a video. Build a simple content tracker and calendar. See every video's stage at a glance. Batch tasks. It's far more efficient. Plan formats, tutorials, reviews, vlogs, listicles, and commentary. Variety keeps viewers engaged. Your first video won't be perfect, and that's okay. The win is hitting publish to build momentum. One upload leads to the next. Try a short channel trailer or introduction. Who you are, what you make, how often. Keep it concise and energetic. Or dive straight into a core tutorial your audience needs. Show the value viewers get by subscribing. Pick a topic you're comfortable with. Let enthusiasm lead. Talk like you would to a friend. Be yourself. Take a deep breath and press record. Publishing starts the conversation. The world is ready to hear you. Done perfect. Start now. The best camera is the one you have. Your phone. Modern phones shoot great 1080p, even 4K. Light matters most. Use a window. Stabilize your shot for instant quality. Upgrade audio with a simple lav mic. It's the best low-cost improvement you can make. Trim pauses. Add simple titles. Light music. Use free desktop tools like DaVinci Resolve. Or edit fully on your phone with CapCut. Learn the jump cut. Tighten the pace. Short, focused videos beat rambling ones. You'll get faster and better with each upload. Nail the basics. Build skills over time. Write a searchable, clickable title. Use clear keywords and a compelling promise. Hook in the first lines. Add summary, timestamps, links, and keywords. Bright, bold, easy to read at a glance. Emotion, plus promise, trust curiosity. Always design custom thumbnails. Tags are minor, but add main keyword and variations. Choose visibility. Scheduling is great. First video can go public. Hit publish. Your video's live. Title, description, thumbnail, tags, visibility. Nailed it. Respond to comments. Pin good ones. Be helpful across your niche, not spammy. Network with peers and add value. Set a schedule you can keep. Ask viewers to subscribe, like, and comment. Small CTAs drive big growth over time. Build relationships, not just view counts. Consistency creates anticipation. You have the knowledge, tools, and a message. Everyone feels fear. Start anyway. Momentum beats perfection. Today can be your day one. The world needs your voice. Press record. I'm rooting for you.